As your workspace collaboration environment expanded across different meeting space, what became most important when scaling and managing deployments?
I think there are three main areas. One is support, the other one will be global availability, and the third, easy to install and troubleshoot, right? And I think in the experience that we have with Yealink, those three areas are completely fulfilled. Meaning we have amazing support from the team. Every single time that we have a struggle to get inventory or to get the devices shipped, the team always immediately jump in and help us to identify suppliers, resellers in order to fulfill the order. And the third one, even though we use integrators to accomplish our deployments, it's very important to know that the rooms will be very easy to deploy, and in case that we run into any issue, everyone will be able to troubleshoot. Doesn't need a super expert integrator. We can work directly with our support teams, and that has been provided great results so far in the company.